welcome back to my channel. I am Geri Del Vento, and as you can see today, we are in a plant nursery. We're actually in my favorite plant nursery here in Miami, Florida, which is Sunset Nursery. It's located in 118th Avenue and Sunset Street. We are in my favorite place because I love the variety here. They are super friendly, just a great customer service. And I've gotten most of my plants here for myself and for some clients. Today's video, I'm gonna take you through 10 best indoor plants. Not the best indoor plants, I would say some of my suggestions, but these are great, easy to care for. Level of care would be easy and intermediate, not too hard. So I'm gonna take you along. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, press that button, and let me know in the comments which plant out of the 10 was your favorite. I'll let you know which one's mine, probably at the end. Let's go. Okay, so the first indoor plant that I'm going to show you, it's called Birds of Paradise. And here you see a beautiful example of a very tall Birds of Paradise. Look how gorgeous she is. They categorize this plant as an intermediate level of care. So it needs a little bit of care, but not too much. It's not super complicated, but intermediate. Okay, the next indoor plant I'm going to show you, it's called MONSTERA, which they refer to it as Swiss cheese plant because it looks like a Swiss cheese. But this one would be considered easy care level, so it is a great choice for indoor plants. And I actually need one. I don't have one, so I think I'm going to take one today. Okay, the third plant I'm going to show you is called the snake plant, and it's right here. This one is a very easy care level. They don't need a lot of water and very little sun. So they're perfect indoor plants. I have one and it's lasted through my children pulling on it. It's lasted of me overwatering it at one point, and it is thriving right now. So great plant choice. Okay, now the fourth plant I'm going to show you are called spider plants, and these are it. They are great for indoor, as an indoor plant, easy to care for. So highly recommend those two. I think they all actually have a really cool texture to it. So I think it'll be a fun addition to your home. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the fifth plant. It's actually one of my favorites because she's so low maintenance, but still so shiny. It's called the ZZ plant. Yep, ZZ, double Z plant. And look how cute. She's shiny. She's very easy. Not a lot of water, very little light, and she thrives. I actually have one in my house, and it got so big that I had to take it to my covered patio. But she's a great choice. Love her. Okay, next one is a very popular one. You've probably seen it multiple times, heard of it. It's the fiddle leaf. She does need a little bit more care than others. She is a little bit high maintenance. She needs a little bit of water. Some people shower them. They put them in the shower, believe it or not, and sprinkle some water on them. A great indoor plant though, but does need a little bit more care than others. Highly recommended. It's just beautiful. It can grow really tall and really high. They're just really pretty. You have to definitely take care of them though. But great choice. Okay, next up is English ivy. There's different types of ivies. I am not a full plant expert. However, I do know these are really great for indoors. For example, this one's called the lipstick plant. There's an Isabella right here. And most of these hang, as you can see. So placing them on a little table or stool or a little planter that is elevated is always best, and it will showcase the beauty of the plant. Okay, next up is dumb canes. That's the name of it. But as you can see, they have different shades. One's more green, one's a little more yellowy. But I think they're so pretty. The leaves are more of a matte texture, and I think it will add a perfect touch to your interiors. Right. Last but not least are the CALATHEAS, which is, I love the purple leaf that it has in the background. It definitely adds a warmer, darker vibe to your home. Very easy to care for. Highly recommend this plant for your home. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little tour that I gave you of Sunset Nursery. And I hope you enjoyed all those beautiful plants. They are all really awesome for your indoors. and elevate your interiors by adding some plants. I think my favorite one was the dumb canes, probably the name and how beautiful the green looks. But let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.